What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Today is Wednesday, December 19th, 2018. I have a couple of stories I wanted to go over today and also compare charts from the stock market and the crypto market for what I wanted to speak about today. So let's get into it. Defying Trump, Fed hikes interest rate by a quarter point. So this is our Market Watch, traditional website, newsletter, news organization for the equities market. All right, stocks, bonds, so on and so forth. And you know, it's just basically a clickbaity kind of, yeah, it is clickbaity, a clickbaity kind of story, because we knew the date was coming. We knew that the Feds were going to raise interest rate. They've been talking about it all year, and you know, it is definitely clickbaity the way how they set this up. You know, saying that, you know, that they defying Trump, when in all actuality, if you know how things work, they're not defying Trump. They're the ones running the country. All right, so they're going to do what they have to do to keep things as stable as they can. And yeah, you know, Trump, the president, wants to keep interest rates the way they are, not rising them, and so that this free money could keep pumping into the system. But the Feds want to slow things down, rein things in a little bit. You know, this way we don't, you know, have too much of an inflation or things like that. But we knew of this date, like I said in the beginning of the year. If you keep up with these things, and you know, being in the crypto space, this is definitely something that we watch, or at least I do, in the, you know, being someone that's a crypto enthusiast. It's, you know, caused me to want to watch the traditional markets more, to see what happens and see what's going on. This way I can you know, assess and invest accordingly. All right, but that being said, the Feds, they did raise their interest rates, and they're saying now that, you know, they, instead of let me see in this paragraph here, but the Fed was not completely dovish. 6 Fed officials penciled in 3 rate hikes in 2019. The Fed statement repeated that further rate hikes were expected, a clause some economists thought the central bank would take out of the statement entirely. Yeah, so we can expect more in 2019. All right, so instead of 3, now they're going to have 2, according to this right here. The central bank now penciled in 2 rate hikes, not 3 moves seen in September, and it's still forecast just 1 more for 2020. And that's the date, that's the year of the halving for Bitcoin anyway. But yeah, rate hikes went up, and the stock market reacted. So here we go. Stock market reacted. Dow Jones is down 1.49%, Nasdaq down 2.17%, and the S&P 500 is down 1.54%. If you're watching any of these talking heads on the CNBC, Fox Business, Bloomberg, you know, they're running around, or you know, they're saying, oh, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. You know, the recession, you know, it's a bear market, blah, 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 blah. It's only down 1.4%, you know, between 1.4 and 2.1%, you know, between all 3 of them. And they're running around like with chickens with their heads chopped off. Meanwhile, you know, in crypto, you know, you could go down 20% in one day. You know what I mean? So I don't know, man. It's just funny the way how these news organizations like to overhype things. I think. Yes, we know a recession is coming. It's due. It's overdue, as a matter of fact. However, the market just going down 1% is it's not a big deal. All right, and especially if you're in the crypto space, that's you laugh at that. That's like moving sideways. All right, so yeah, man. Let's take a quick look on Live Coin Watch. Look at Bitcoin Cash, up 23%. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything is, over the past 24 hours is pretty much up. All right, EOS is pretty much trading sideways, and for the past hour or so in crypto, things have just been retracing just a little bit, correcting a little bit, because for the past couple of days we just been on a tear basically since the week started on Monday. So yeah, give me a break, man. 4% move. This is nothing in crypto. All right, this is what we're used to right here. 20% or more a move in either direction is normal for us in the crypto space. And I just laugh at these talking heads on the CNBC and Bloomberg and Fox Business, because that's what they're doing, is just basically spreading FUD. And I know they have to, they have ratings, they have people that they have to answer to and all that stuff. But yeah, man, it's not a big deal. All right, but with the Fed raising interest rates and the stock market, crashing, I think people are taking their money out of the stocks now, and we're starting to see that now, and they're putting it into crypto. That's what I think. I think we're finally seeing that migration from the regular stock market into the crypto space, and I think this is the catalyst we needed for the next bull run. So let me know what you guys think, about that in the comment section below. Also, not to end on a sour note, but over in Ireland, the High Court over in Ireland, they're doing some craziness over there, I think, at least. All right, so this is out of Cointelegraph. Irish High Court ruling breaks new legal ground, reports local media. All right, so what's happening in Ireland? Let me see. Ireland's High Court has ruled that 25,000 euro in cryptocurrency held by a man in prison is considered the proceeds of a crime, the Irish Times reported on Tuesday, December 18th, which was yesterday. All right, so Neil Mannion, a man reportedly served a 6.5-year prison sentence at Wheatfield Prison in Dublin for drugs offenses since 2014. They seized everything from him, basically. All right, that's what the story is. They seized all his assets and everything and gave him time. However, this is crypto, son. Yo, this is crypto, fam. You can't be taking people's crypto, man. I'm not justifying anything that this guy did. He got caught, doing something illegal, do the effing time, and the proceeds or whatever, yes, has to go, go to the state or the government. And but I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about them setting this precedent of them. Well, I guess they did it here in the States too. They've taken people cryptos, but I don't know how they're doing that. If you're not giving them your private keys, you know what I mean? So if you don't give it to them, how can they get it? I don't know. I guess I'll have to do a little bit more research into that and find out how is that even possible. But I guess it's the same thing they do here in the States. The U.S. Marshals, they sold off over 200,000 Bitcoin or something. from proceeds from different criminal activities, and that's how Tim Draper got most of his Bitcoin, was from the Silk Road guy. You know, the government got his Bitcoins and they auction it off. So I don't know how they're getting it, but yeah, that's all I got to say on that. I don't feel I'm not feeling any good juju about this, but the government being able to take your cryptos. But you guys let me know how you feel about this in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. Please smash that like, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And yeah, I think this was the beginning. This is the beginning of our next bull run. I'm hoping, at least, because we're finally seeing the correlation, you know, between the stock market going down, you know, a quote-unquote bear market in the stocks, and I think people are going to run to crypto and not gold and silver. So thanks again for watching. Peace.